all you beautiful people learning to adult in the kitchen. I am your host, Lady Lilykins, and today we will be adulting with paring versus peeling. When your recipe calls for you to pare something, it's the same as peeling. It just means that you need to take the skin off. So I'm going to show you the difference between the two. Personally, peeling to me is a lot quicker, it's a lot easier, it's a lot cleaner. But in case you want to be old school and you want to adult by peeling or by paring, I'm going to show you how. So to start paring something, you're going to grab your paring knife in one hand and your vegetable or your fruit in the other hand. Today I'm doing apples because I have an apple cake I'm going to make. And you're just going to cut it. And you want to be careful with your paring knife because it's very difficult to pare away from you accurately without losing a lot of your apple. So you want to do it towards you, but you want to make sure that this blade is not going to cut your thumb. So just be aware of that. So you're just going to make a simple cut, and you're just going to go around, and you are going to take the skin off like this. And you can keep going in a circular motion. You can do it this way if you'd like. And just know that I've done this a lot, so I have a little bit of experience with this. When you first start out paring something, if you're not sure how your knife is really working or how it's going to work, you might find yourself taking more chunks like this off. And that's fine, but you can see you're losing a lot of your apple with that. And it's no big deal. So you're just going to pare it like this. And you can do it in long slices like that, or you can just do it like this, however you want to do it. It really doesn't matter. Whatever's comfortable for you. When you get a bruise like that, cool thing about paring, you can cut it right off. You don't have to worry about going back and doing it later after you've peeled it. So we're going to keep doing this, and as you can see, it's going to end up kind of a funky shape, and you can go in any direction you want. Doesn't have to be the same. You can go this way, you can go that way, and up and down, and it don't matter. When you get to the bottom, just slice that bottom off, just like that. You can do that to the top too, but it's a little more difficult to do to the top because it goes in so deep with that stem. So that's paring. That's what, when a recipe calls for paring, that's what you're going to do. And these skins, if you don't want to throw them away, cool thing about apples is if you like to burn potpourri or incense or whatever kind of fragrances in your house, if you take these skins and you put them in a little saucepan with some water and some cinnamon and put it on to simmer, your house will smell like a freshly baked pie. It's absolutely awesome. So I'm going to set these aside so I can do that later because I love apple and the scent of apple, although it always makes me hungry. So we're going to set that aside. We're going to grab our other apple, and I'm going to show you how to peel it. So we've covered the swivel peeler, and all you're going to do is the same way you would do it with a potato, but instead of going this way, and you can go this way if you want, doing it strip by strip, it's a little more difficult with a apple, or you can just go in a circular motion, just like that. And you can, once you do this enough, you will become skilled enough where you will be able to take the entire peel off without removing your blade from the apple. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's kind of an odd shape right now, but it can be done. So you're just going to kind of rotate your apple as you're peeling. And you're not really putting any pressure on this. If you have a good peeler with a very good blade, you're just guiding it. You're just making it go where you want it to go. You're not applying a bunch of pressure like you would with a potato. Potato skins are a lot thicker, so you're going to apply more pressure to a potato than you would an apple. You're just going to keep going. You can do the same thing on the bottom here. Just peel that right off. And the top, it's easier to do the top with the peeler than it is paring, but you're going to cut that anyways. typically, so that really don't matter. And here you can see, compared to the pared one, you have just the skin. You have more apple intact. See, here we have, this skin has a lot of apple attached. And you can tell the difference in shape, where you have a lot more apple than you do with this one. So I'm going to set this aside, and I am going to put that in some water and simmer it with some cinnamon and make my house smell absolutely yummy. So thank you for watching. Please click the like button and comment below if you found this useful or have any questions or suggestions. If you'd like to level up your adulting in the kitchen skills, click that subscribe button below and be notified of new leveling opportunities. Y'all have a wonderful day.